guys, this is Yang. Today the challenge is to use GoPro 7 only to take some interesting vlog. Actually, to be honest with you guys, I got rid of Osmo Action because I realized I don't need two action camera. And I hope GoPro 7 today the mic is working fine because it's so quiet here. Let's go! Definitely quite a bit of workout, especially on my right arm. I don't know why. My right arm feels a little more tired. Oh, the baby ducks. Water is so cool. So the key is to shoot at many different angles as possible, so you can just compile them all together. So you get some variety of shots to make it into a compact video. And now we're going into the creek over there. Is it creek? I don't know, something in between island. Even though this video is supposed to be about just GoPro, but I'm gonna just throw in some drone shot. Why not? Since I brought it here at the back. It smells so nice. There are some berries. I can really smell the pine here. And I also brought my Insta360 1X, so hopefully I'll throw in some shots that really shows the entire surrounding of where I'm kayaking. I think this is when Insta 1X is super. I'm holding the selfie stick with my knees. Wish it's made into, you know, waterproof capability, although Insta 1X does come with waterproof case if you buy separately. I don't have. This is paradise. Just to show you how I'm filming Insta 1X, this is exactly the setup I'm doing. I have it here and then my knees are holding the selfie stick. You just need to utilize everything. Let's catch up. So I hope you guys found today's video pretty fun. If you guys happen to take Finnair, then why don't you guys stop over in Helsinki? Take some time to actually explore the nature of Finland. I sound like a Finnish tourism ambassador, but I'm really enjoying my stay here. So anyway, so next I'll come back with some other sort of vlog-ish gear review. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you! I'm a bit behind, so I better roll on.